Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your website using Wix Studio. This is a great way to integrate specific functionalities or third-party services into your site seamlessly. Whether you're looking to add a widget, enhance analytics, or simply customize the appearance of your website, embedding custom code can be a powerful tool. Let's get started. First, navigate to Wix Studio. If you're not already logged in, click on the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of the Wix Studio editor. Here, you'll notice a plus icon, usually positioned in the left menu or toolbar. Clicking this will open a variety of options for your site. Among these options, locate and select Embed and Social. This section is where you can input code or link various script functionalities to your site seamlessly. The next step involves clicking on Embed Code. You will likely find this as an option within the Embed and Social menu. When you select this, it will allow you to specify the type of code you wish to input into your website. It's important at this stage to ensure you have the correct code ready, whether it be HTML, JavaScript, or some other script. Next, click on Enter Code. This is where you'll actually paste the custom code you wish to embed. A text input box will appear, providing you the space to paste your code. Make sure your code is clean and correct to avoid any errors on your site. Pasting incorrect code could potentially disrupt your site's functionality, so double-check your code. This step is crucial. Finally, after pasting your code, click on the Apply button. This action saves the changes and embeds the code on your website securely. Always preview your site to ensure everything appears as expected and that the functionality works correctly. That's how you add custom code in Wix Studio. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.